on our skin. We are young, we feel everything. Yeah, it's starting to begin. Hear the words we were meant to sing.
So, good morning guys! It's our last day here in Balabac. So, padung na meron sa among tour guide because may
Dua ka islands
nga adtuan ron. Bali nagkumikig mga bag kay diretso naman mi after sa island hopping o diretso na lang mi sa Buliluyan Port kay mo uli na mi.
Kag sa may mga plano magkadto dire, dala ka mo daag kwarta kay wala dire ATM. Mayara po, pero mayara sila Palawan kag MEDYO o Cebuana.
Cebuana.
Masara sila.
So that's it. Takaw na mi. Takaw sa mi ha. Welcome sa Siksikan Island. So, let's explore it. Good morning po!
Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
Guys, pato na meron sa last island. O saan sa tong island ya? Patungdong? Patunggong Island. So, ay, patunaw sa mingan bago rami tapos kaon.
Look at that, wow.
Wow!
Check this out.
Guys, nahawaron sa babaw sa natumba nga kahoy. Wala lang, trip ko lang, hangin-hangin. At least dire, makita ni mo, ari ka sa babaw, makita ni mo kanindot sa place.
Behind it. Ganda.
In the distance, I can see all the things that we can achieve. Are you starting to believe that tonight it was meant to be? Close my eyes, I feel where we are, where we are. We can run all night till the dawn, till the dawn. We light it up like the stars. No more fear of hiding. Stay where we are. We're the ones. We can break the silence. We can break the silence. We can break the silence.
So that's it guys. Bye-bye Balabac.
So we finally arrived at Buliluyan Port. Dra na po dra nagatapos among vlog sa Balabac, and see you to our next trip.
Bye.
Bye.